sound right, boys.
Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from ILikehair.com. It is a silky straight unit. So if you would like the specs and everything else about this unit and my thoughts, then keep on watching. So with this unit here, I'm very excited because I've always wanted a straight human hair unit and my dreams have come true thanks to ILikehair. And this wig is so gorgeous. I do love how silky it is. It's very, very soft. It's amazing. I really love the feel of it. That's number one with this unit. So let me give you the specifications of this unit here. This unit is a 13x6 and it also is a natural brown color. It's not too brown looking. It's more like a 1B from what you're seeing here. It's not too brown. It is also 16 inches in length. So this is what it looks like here. It stops right here. So it is a 16-inch unit, and it also comes in two other lengths, an 18-inch and a 22-inch. So I would leave the link down below so you could see the difference between all three of them, and I'm really feeling this length on me. And the density on this unit is 180%. So the density is perfect. That's what I love about this unit, because the density isn't too thin or is it too thick. It's just right in the middle, and I love that. It's not too much. It also is a 22.5-inch cap, so it is a standard size cap. It fits me well. I actually had to adjust it so it won't move. I haven't laid it down or anything else, but it has stayed pretty sturdy on my head, which is excellent. I don't need to glue it down or anything like that. There's virgin here, and they said it's from one donor, so that's quite interesting. It's also ready to bleach as well, so you can definitely bleach the knots. From what I did here, I just literally used that ebony tinted spray and sprayed it on because, you know, I wanted to have something that's quick and easy for me to do. I do plan on bleaching the knots eventually, but this is a nice quick and easy fix for me, and it matches my skin tone pretty well. So I did use the ebony tinted spray in medium dark brown, so that was the perfect shade for me. They come in a variety of other colors. You could go check it out yourself, but that's what I use on my unit. Now, as far as the cap construction, it has 3 combs at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and the 3 combs, the comb that is literally ends right here, right at the crown of my head, and there are 2 combs at the far sides of your head as well. There's no way it will come off of your head, so I do love that about this unit. Now, I love how I can pull my hands through the hair with no problems or no issues. I do like that a lot with this unit. It is very easy for me to wear, and it's very easy everyday type of style. You can definitely put it in any parting space that you would like. The less parting space you have will come down to the end, but I would say from here to here you get the most space to get your parting. You can definitely do a whole lot with this unit. It is a human hair unit, so it will be very easy for you to customize it to your liking. As far as the lace is ear to ear, and the back of the wig does have a little piece of lace, but that's if you're just putting it in a very low ponytail if you would like. But I don't have any plans to do any of that, but it is a possibility that you can do it because there's a little piece of lace at the back, so it's very, very good. I like this wig. It is so silky, so smooth. Thank you so much, ILikehair. I love it so much. Now let me show you what the box looks like. It's very, very nice. So this is what she came in. It's very, very nice. It reminds me of that brand Hermes. It is a name brand. This is exactly what I thought of when I saw it. I was like, this looks really expensive. Unfortunately, due to the shipping, DHL messed it up right here. But other than that, it's a nice box. You can definitely open it up, and it has all these goodies in here. I did like that they thought of the carbon comb, because you definitely would need this when you're flat ironing your hair, so that your comb wouldn't melt in the process. So I've definitely used this and it came in handy. So thank you so much for this, because this came in handy. That was a really smart move of you all. I do like it a lot. Thank you so much, ILikehair. If you're interested, I would leave links down below where you can purchase it to this unit and where you can purchase other units as well. I will definitely leave a link down below. And also I have a coupon code. It's for 20% off. It's KyReviews20. That is KyReviews20 for 20% off your purchase. I would leave a coupon code and the link and the referral code. All that you need will be in the description box as well on my social media, so you can just click on it and it will go straight there, and you will get 20% off, which is great. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you all soon in another video. Take care. Bye.